Goals by Tracy. A blueprint for setting and achieving your dreams. Picture this. You have a vision of the life you want, but you're unsure how to bridge the gap between dreams and reality. In Goals, Tracy shares a powerful, step-by-step approach to setting and achieving goals that can help you transform your life. Tracy, a leading expert on personal development, emphasizes that goals are the roadmap to success and that with the right approach, anyone can achieve extraordinary results. In this book, Tracy reveals proven strategies for setting clear, actionable goals and sticking to them until they're accomplished. Here are 10 key ideas from goals that will help you turn your dreams into a practical, achievable plan. Key idea 1. Start with a clear vision. Tracy emphasizes that all success begins with clarity. Take the time to picture your ideal future, identifying exactly what you want in each area of your life. A vivid vision keeps you motivated and provides direction as you work toward your goals. Key idea 2. Write down your goals. Writing down your goals turns them into something tangible. Tracy insists that committing your goals to paper makes them real and reinforces your commitment. A written goal has a powerful effect on your subconscious mind, increasing your focus and motivation. Key idea 3. Set SMART goals. Tracy teaches the importance of setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework helps you create clear, actionable goals that keep you on track and prevent you from setting yourself up for disappointment. Key idea 4. Break goals down into smaller steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Tracy advises breaking them into manageable steps, creating a clear path from where you are now to where you want to be. This approach makes each goal feel achievable and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Key idea 5. Establish a deadline for each goal. Deadlines give your goals urgency. Tracy explains that setting a specific timeline for each goal pushes you to take action and keeps you from procrastinating. Even if you don't reach it by the exact date, having a deadline drives momentum. Key idea 6. Identify potential obstacles. Tracy encourages anticipating any challenges you might face. By identifying obstacles up front, you can prepare solutions in advance. This approach not only builds resilience but also helps you move past setbacks faster. Key idea 7. Focus on one goal at a time. While you may have multiple goals, Tracy advises giving full attention to one major goal at a time. By concentrating on a single target, you're more likely to make significant progress without spreading your efforts too thin. Key idea 8. Visualize your success daily. Tracy stresses the importance of visualizing yourself achieving your goals. Daily visualization strengthens your belief in your ability to succeed and keeps you motivated, helping your subconscious mind work toward making that vision a reality. Key idea 9. Take action every day. Tracy's approach is all about consistent progress. He emphasizes the importance of doing something each day that moves you closer to your goal, no matter how small. This habit of daily action builds momentum and keeps you on track. Key idea 10. Evaluate and adjust regularly. Finally, Tracy recommends reviewing your goals frequently to track progress and make adjustments as needed. Life is dynamic, and staying flexible allows you to adapt to new circumstances without losing sight of your objectives.